Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to attract recruiters on LinkedIn in 5 easy steps. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to get recruiters rolling in. But first, for all the guidance you need to get hired, subscribe to my channel. I post weekly content that will help you along every step on your journey towards landing that dream job. Be sure to click on the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. I don't want you to miss a beat. LinkedIn is an amazing platform that every job seeker needs to be on. Not only does it give you the opportunity to find job opportunities, there are actually recruiters on the platform looking for people like you, using LinkedIn's recruiter tool. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract those recruiters to you. Number 1 is to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is fully optimized from top to bottom. If you have not yet watched my video on the 5 steps to building an outstanding LinkedIn profile, click here to watch it. But be sure that your profile is fully optimized from your headline down to your interests. Number 2 is keywords. Everything on LinkedIn is searchable by keywords. So when a recruiter is looking to fill a position with a candidate, they will search for candidates on LinkedIn using career and industry-specific keywords. Ensure that your profile is fully optimized by including keywords in your headline, your summary or about section, and throughout your work experience. This will make sure that you are searchable and that your profile comes up when a specific career or industry-related keyword is targeted by a recruiter. Number 3, make sure that you update your career interest section on LinkedIn. Let me show you how. So you're going to go over to your LinkedIn profile. You're going to click on Me, Settings and Privacy. You're going to scroll to Job Seeking Preferences on the left-hand side. And these are all the preferences that you want to review when you are updating your career interests. So job application settings, choose what information LinkedIn saves when you submit a job application. This one is super important to be found by recruiters. Let recruiters know you're open to new opportunities. Click yes. Signal your interest to recruiters at companies you have created job alerts for, so you can actually target specific companies and create job alerts for those. Sharing your profile when you click apply is an easy way to share your profile when you are applying for a job, etc., etc. So the most important is to let recruiters know when you're open to new opportunities. So be sure to update your job seeking preferences. So after I've updated these job seeking preferences, I'm going to go back to my LinkedIn profile. And now I can see that a new section has appeared on my profile, and that's open to job opportunities. So now recruiters can see directly on my profile that I am open to new opportunities. I'm going to click the edit so I can actually create my preferences. I'm going to add specific job titles that I want to be found for. You remember, keywords are key. So for example, I could type in career coach. You can put in as many job titles as you like. Job locations, what are the locations that I'd like to work in? So is it in my current location? You can add that. You can add other locations that you're okay to either move to or you'd like to be located in. Job type, do you want full-time, contract, part-time? And then you can show if this is only open to recruiters or if you want all LinkedIn members to be able to see this. Okay, so make sure that you check out your privacy settings and you customize it to what you feel is best. And then you click save. Number 4 is recommendations. Recommendations are a great way to boost your profile because you're allowing other people to speak on your character, your work ethic, and the value that you have brought to other work environments or teams in the past. Ask your previous co-workers or supervisors, even professors, to give you a recommendation. Social proof is powerful. So to get other people to speak on your work is a great way to really boost your profile. Number 5 is to engage. It's not just enough to have a great LinkedIn profile in the front, but to do nothing with it. You want to be constantly engaging on the LinkedIn platform, and there are 4 main ways that you could do this. Number 1 is to join groups. Groups are a great way to connect with people that have similar interests to you. Not only can you learn and share, you also have an opportunity to connect with people and build your professional network. Number 2, write a post or an article. This is a great way to set yourself up as a thought leader or even to share your opinion. It's professional networking, so it's great to share and to receive, and articles and posts are a great way to do this. Number 3, which is arguably the most important, is to connect with people. Connect with people that you know, both professionally and personally, but also expand your network to connect with people that are in the same career and industry as you. The more vast and broad your network, the better. But make sure that you build and you foster those relationships. And number 4 is interests. You can follow people, groups, and companies, and a recruiter loves to see it if you are following the company that they work in. So if you have specific target companies, be sure that you are following them on LinkedIn, because it will definitely give you some brownie points with recruiters. If you are a job seeker, connect with me on LinkedIn. I post valuable content that is specific for job seekers, so I will post the link to my LinkedIn profile in the description. Feel free to connect with me. Don't forget to watch this video next on how to build an outstanding LinkedIn profile, and take it one step further by downloading my free guide, The 5 Steps to an Outstanding LinkedIn Profile, with a checklist, so you can be sure that your LinkedIn profile is knocking it on all targets. A link to the download is in the description. If you found this video useful, give it a like, comment below, and don't forget to share it with your fellow job seekers. Subscribe to my channel for more weekly content related to landing your dream job. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.